Have you ever heard someone say, "She mustered the courage to speak up"? The word muster might sound fancy, but it's actually a powerful everyday word that can instantly make your English sound more expressive. So, what does muster really mean? Muster, pronounced muhster, is a verb that means to gather, collect, or bring together, especially feelings, strength, or people. It comes from military language, where soldiers muster for duty, meaning they gather or assemble in one place. Imagine this: you're feeling nervous before giving a speech. But then, you take a deep breath and muster the courage to step on stage. That's right, you gathered your inner strength. In another sense, you can also muster people or muster support, like calling your friends together to help with a project. Now, let's explore some synonyms of muster. Gather, assemble, collect, rally, and summon. These all point to bringing things or people together. For antonyms, think of words that mean the opposite. Scatter, disperse, or dismiss, they mean sending things away instead of pulling them together. Let's check out a few real-life examples. She mustered enough confidence to ask for a promotion. The captain mustered his crew before setting sail. He couldn't muster the energy to go out after work. See how versatile muster is. It can describe courage, effort, people, or even emotions, all depending on context. So next time you're pushing yourself to get something done, remember, you're not just trying. You're mustering your strength. Keep learning and building your word power with Thesaurus Thrive, where every word helps you grow smarter.